Welcome to RightSideTrading.com, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. We'd like to give you an update as to the trade that we had on PCG. We looked at the trade and we have seen that there are some reasons why we think we should get out of this trade, because it's not going to get to, it's shown some weaknesses that it will get to the top. And so here was where we entered this trade over here. Right here, we entered the trade over here, and we were expecting it to get up here. And once it started getting really close, this is where we start coming in and start managing the trade, because it's getting really close up there. But there are some things that we saw that made us think that it's not going to have an opportunity, or the momentum is weak to get it up to this level right here. So as part of managing our trades, we'll go ahead and close out the trade. And we had already done so. So here is the PCG, as you can see right here. We had entered that trade, and today alone, it had went up $800. So since the time that we had put it on, we have made $2,000 off of this trade. That is about a 76% return on our money. Okay, that's a 76% return on our money, and so that's good enough. And so even though the chart is now showing signs of weakness, we'll go ahead and close it out with the 76% that we made on this trade. Okay, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's in 2 weeks that it took to make $2,000. Okay, and so this is once again one of the ways that a bouncing stock could really just give you a paycheck every 2 to 6 weeks, as we said. But to learn more about why we got out of this trade, go ahead. You should look into getting a video course. We talk extensively about things like that, how to know when a trade is not going to make it to its end, but most importantly, just knowing which stocks are going to pay you a paycheck. So in this DVD course, you will be learning how to identify stocks that will give you the best probability of consistent paychecks. You also know when to buy and when to sell, as well as when not to buy and when not to sell. You'll be able to learn how to identify and short a deal, buy and sell zones, so that you would know when to get in and when to get out. Also be able to identify profitable trades before you even buy the stock. All right. You will also learn how to identify stocks that are the best qualified for bouncing stocks, as well as setting rules that are consistent for income-based strategies. And those are one of the rules that we actually applied today and made us get out with a $2,000 profit, even though we had got in just 2 weeks ago. And most importantly, you'll learn how to minimize your risk. So go to RightSideTrading.com and get this video, Bouncing Stocks. It's on the courses page. You'll be able to learn more about how to make consistent paychecks every 2 to 6 weeks. All right. Thank you.